Morning, everybody. It's 8:40 on Monday morning, the 12th of June, and this is your pre-opening comment, video number 1790 for this Monday morning. Asia and Europe are mixed to higher. There's not a lot of news around, um, although there are a couple of deals. KDNY, that's Chinook Therapeutics. KDNY is a kidney therapy company being bought by Novartis for cash at $40. The stock actually traded a little higher than 40. It's come back in a little and is trading 37 and change. So that's, you know, pretty much in range. BIIB, Biogen, got an approval from the FDA for their Alzheimer's drug. This was very exciting. On Friday, the stock had been in the 308 area, ran all the way up to 332. A little bit disappointed here back at 313.92, which is up only $4 after being, almost $20 higher. A couple of upgrades to mention: Carnival Cruise at both JP Morgan and Bank of America upgrades. Bank of America also upgrading Amazon, changing their price target to 154 from 139. Oracle also upgraded. Stock is 114 and a half, up 465. And the NASDAQ is also on the acquisition side this morning, buying Adenza, Adenza, for $10.5 billion. It's a risk management software company. I think that it's private because I can't find a quote on it or a symbol. But as far as NASDAQ goes, it's 53 and a half. That's down $4.33. The futures not really doing a whole lot. I've seen the Dow from basically unchanged to up about 32, currently up 23. S&P is up about 11, and the NASDAQ is up about 75. So not a lot of action considering where we are on the chart here. We came within $2 on the S&P futures. The prior high was, the prior high was, I think, 43, 43.75 or 72. And we've come up, 43.57 was the number. And we got as high as 43.25 this past week. So, as I said, 43.25.50 versus 43.27.50. I mean, those are awfully close numbers. So we'll see how that goes. As far as the futures, oil down almost $2. That's a downgrade of price on Brent and our West Texas Intermediate by Goldman Sachs. I can't get excited about it. Everybody's entitled to their opinion, but the fact of the matter is, it's a really tough market. As I mentioned yesterday in the weekly letter, it's turned very choppy, but still seems to be bounded by about 83, 84 on the high and 65, 68 on the low, so roughly a $20 range. We have a lot of information coming at us this week. We have consumer price index, producer price index, retail sales, FOMC on Wednesday, ECB and Bank of Japan all making announcements this week. So a lot of chop probably. And that's really about it. There's not a whole heck of a lot going on. Let me just check those futures again. Grains mixed to slightly higher. Nat gas down about a penny and a half, down 203 now, although we have been 50 lower on the oil. Gasoline down a nickel, heating oil down 3 cents, gold down $1.70, so not much there. 23 cents on the silver, copper down about 3 cents. On the softs, we have cotton down 32. We have the coffee, which can't get out of its own way on the upside, down 370. Sugar up about 40 cents. And the dollar is down about a nickel. Bitcoin down under 500, down here at 25,990, also back to the bottom of a trading range. And we have the bonds up on the day at almost 128, and they were as low as 127 today. So a little bit of chop there too. All right, folks, that's about it. I'll be back later.